This is for those folks that have failed college chemistry and are now trying to decide what to do next. Are you going to retake the class? Are you thinking about maybe changing your major? Maybe you never took a college class before at all. You started out as a freshman, got in over your head, too much information too soon. Look, whatever the reason is, if you're retaking the class, then real quick, you're going to want to go through the rest of this video with me. Why? Because I'm going to go over what to do and what not to do, actually in the reverse order. Obviously, you didn't set out to fail the class. Don't go into retaking chemistry or any other college class and make any assumptions. In other words, that just because you took it once, that you're going to get a better grade the second time. That's not going to happen. In fact, it might work in reverse. You can't do the same things that you did the last time and expect better results. Plain and simple. So on to what you should do. Now, this is not rocket science either. Do more than you're required to do. Take those extra steps. Do a little bit more when it comes to studying. With that, how do you study? Well, one of the ways, of course, it would be to rewrite your notes or at least add to your notes if you don't understand something from your textbook or from videos online. Oh, you're not taking notes at all? Well, there's a problem right from the get-go. Redo practice problems. In other words, you're given homework sets, you do them, maybe you kind of understand it, maybe you don't, and then you just leave it and you never do anything again, and then it comes to a test and you're failing the test. You need to do problems over and over again until you get them. Use your book. I have a couple of videos already on my channel that talk about studying for chemistry. You gotta do the work. Another way, bounce off different ways of remembering and analyzing and problem solving is to work with other students in the class. Maybe a couple of people for that matter that you can rely on and work with. You work well with them, they work well with you. It might not be so easy to do, especially in the age with cell phones and not being physically present in the library or a study room. But I would totally tell you to seek that out. It might be a really big help. One final word, and that is study. You gotta put the work behind the course. And usually if you're taking chemistry in college, you're not just taking one semester of it. You're taking at least two. And when you start the second semester, your professor is going to assume that you know and can answer any questions from the first semester. So yes, study, study, study. As always, keep working hard and good luck.